Imagine a drone so stealthy it could fly over the most defended airspace and almost no radar would notice. Now imagine that drone isn't American, but Chinese. Satellite images from Xinjiang, China, have just revealed something that looks uncannily similar to the United States' secret RQ-180 stealth drone. Is China about to match one of Washington's most advanced surveillance weapons? Let's break down what we know, what we don't, and why this discovery could reshape the balance of power in the skies. The story begins with fresh satellite photos from Planet Labs. At a remote airfield in China's Milan test base, an area often used for cutting-edge aviation experiments, analysts spotted a large, dark flying wing aircraft parked in plain sight. Its size is impressive. The wingspan is estimated at around 137 feet, roughly the width of a Boeing 737's wings. This isn't a hobby drone, it's a strategic high-altitude aircraft. Observers immediately noted how much it resembles the U.S. Air Force's RQ-180, a stealth reconnaissance platform that Washington has never publicly shown. Look closer and the similarities are striking. The aircraft features a cranked kite wing design, angled edges that scatter radar waves and reduce detection. There's a single intake on top and a rear exhaust, a layout meant to hide heat signatures from infrared sensors. Its dark coating is likely radar absorbent. Experts believe this is an advanced variant of China's CH-7 unmanned aircraft, a program unveiled years ago but never seen in this configuration. If the internal systems, engines, avionics, sensors, match the sleek exterior, this drone could operate at extreme altitudes for many hours, gathering intelligence far inside contested airspace. So why the excitement about a resemblance to America's RQ-180? Because the RQ-180 is rumored to be the U.S. military's most advanced stealth surveillance drone, capable of missions that even satellites can't perform. It can penetrate heavily defended zones, like those protected by Russia's or China's best air defense networks. Until now, no other nation was thought to have anything comparable. If China is truly fielding a similar platform, the long-held U.S. advantage in high-altitude stealth reconnaissance may be eroding. Think about the timing. China is expanding its reach in the South China Sea, modernizing its forces near Taiwan, and competing with the U.S. for influence across Asia and beyond. A stealth drone like this would let Beijing gather real-time intelligence over disputed islands or even approach U.S. bases without being seen. It could map radar sites, track naval fleets, or provide targeting data for missiles, all while staying safely out of reach. Unlike satellites locked to predictable orbits, such a drone can linger, adjust routes, and revisit targets at will. That flexibility gives China a powerful surveillance edge. Of course, we must be cautious. A single image shows only the outer shell. We don't know the quality of its stealth coatings, its sensor packages, or whether it has the autonomous systems required for long missions. It's also unclear whether this is a prototype, a test bed, or the start of full-scale production. And remember, even the US RQ-180 itself is still largely a mystery, so look-alike doesn't necessarily mean equal. Still, the message is unmistakable. By allowing this drone to be seen in broad daylight, China may be signaling both confidence and capability, showing its people and its rivals that it is catching up fast. Regional players like Japan, India, and Taiwan will study these images carefully, while the U.S. will double down on counter-stealth radar and electronic warfare to stay ahead. An arms race in stealth and counter-stealth technology could accelerate. In short, the sudden appearance of a Chinese RQ-180 look-alike isn't just an aviation story. It's a glimpse into the future of intelligence and warfare. Whether this aircraft is operational today or 5 years away, it shows that the race for invisible eyes in the sky is entering a new phase. What do you think? Are we seeing the dawn of a new stealth era or just a clever piece of Chinese signaling? Only time and more satellites will tell.